Welcome to our tutorial on properly enabling Calendar in your Shopify store. The first thing you want to check is if our app is enabled in your theme. From your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, Themes, and click on Customize. In the Theme Editor, go to the App Embed tab found on the left-hand side. Once in there, you'll want to toggle on our application. Before leaving, please remember to click Save. You should also confirm the app is enabled in the Calendar dashboard. To check this, go to Apps and click on Calendar Booking. By default, it should be enabled, but it doesn't hurt to check. Now, let's go to a product page of one of the services you have created. Navigate to Apps, Calendar, and click on My Services. In here, you should see all of your services. If you have not created a service yet, please watch our How to Create Your First Service video. Now, click on View on the service you want to check, and this will take you to the product page of that service. The app works by converting the Add to Cart button into a Book Now button. If you see this new button and the calendar opens up, you have successfully created your first bookable service. Don't worry if you don't see this. Just come by our chat and one of our awesome support staff will assist you.